So I bought this Roomba iRobot used, and it was really dirty when I got it. My dog doesn't like it so much. Anyway, Lizzie, stop it. So I cleaned it out really good. I took out the bin that holds the dirt, washed it out, let it dry, and it probably hasn't ran for 20 minutes. I keep forgetting to start it. So I started it and it's running around. Lizzie, hey, stop it. So I cleaned it out today, and that is how much dirt I got out of it. And there's my hand. So it's the size of my hand and it's 2 inches tall. I just can't believe it picked up that much dirt. So one of two things. Either it's really picking up a lot of stuff, or there was still a bunch of junk in the machine that came out once I cleaned out the bin. But I'm going to let it run the day through its full course and see what it does. Lizzie, stop it. But if it picked that much dirt up out of my carpet, I'd be pretty impressed. Oh, I forgot to shut the door tight. I don't want it going in. I don't want it going into the extra bedroom or the bathroom. Lizzie, stop it. But I'm pretty impressed if it got that much dirt out of our carpet. Because we have a Dyson vacuum cleaner, which is pretty good. I guess it's sitting over there, and we use it at least once a week. So I don't know if it's getting all this junk underneath stuff that the Dyson can't reach, or if the Dyson's just leaving that much junk. And this doesn't really have brushes on it. It's got like rollers, but I'm pretty impressed.